financial statements.
Are those like statements that strangers aren't supposed to touch?
Joey! Now, personal financial statements should present assets at estimated current value and liabilities at estimated current amounts.
Miss Grant, are all the engagements the same?
I'm glad you asked, Calvin. There are 4 basic types. The first is a compilation. Can someone tell me another? Susie?
A review.
How about an audit? Yeah, how about like when Calvin gives Susie a big diamond ring?
Joey! Ooh, Miss Grant. Yes, Clarence?
I gotta go bathroom.
Not right now, Clarence. The 4th is specified elements. Oh dear, it's time for gym class. As you leave, please bring me your permission slips for this afternoon's field trip.
I don't got mine.
Why not?
Yeah, my baby sister ate my permission slip, but Ma wouldn't let me bring the diaper.
Oh my!
Now, kids, today we're going to play a school favorite, dodgeball.
So, Calvin, where do you think we're going on our field trip?
I don't know, but I'll bet it has something to do with personal financial statements.
Calvin, why do you suppose personal financial statements use current values?
I suppose it's because that's what the users want.
Like the lenders?
Exactly. Coach Gut!
What is it, Clarence?
I gotta go bathroom.
Not now, Clarence. Toughen up and keep playing, kid.
That makes sense, because current values are also used for estates, gift tax, and income tax planning.
Kids, you gotta get tough out there. You're playing like a bunch of babies.
Hey, Coach, how's abouts like this?
You kids better get quiet back there. Stupid kids.
Class, can anyone tell me what kind of entities would use personal financial statements?
An individual or a husband and wife?
Very good, Calvin.
Or perhaps a family.
Yeah, likes the Godfather.
Joey! Mr. Bus Driver!
What's the problem? What is it?
I gotta go bathroom. Now, Clarence, just wait till we stop.
I really hate this job.
I suppose if you're doing it for a member of a group, then you'll need to make sure that you properly break out their interest.
Very good.
So, Miss Grant, where are we going on our field trip?
It's a surprise.
Maybe it's the donut shop.
Maybe it's a pizza restaurant.
Maybe it's the amusement park.
No! Better yet, it's an accounting office. Now, kids, you remember how much fun you had the last time at the actuary's office?
is it my imagination, or does she remind you of Miss Grunt?
I hadn't noticed.
My name is Miss Snort, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about how our firm does personal financial statements.
Well, if they's personal, do you really think you should be telling us?
Joey! Before we begin, we have to consider client acceptance, services to be provided, and required information. Can anyone tell me things we must consider about a potential client?
Integrity?
Business risk.
Very good. Anything else? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, little boy?
I gotta go bathroom.
There'll be plenty of time for that later.
How about independence?
Very good. Oh, I see Mr. Dull is here to take you on your tour. Mr. Dull is a CPA. Does anyone know what CPA stands for?
Yeah, chronic pain in the...
Joey!
This is my office where I prepare personal financial statements. One of the difficulties in preparing personal financial statements is that the financial records are often informal.
You mean they never wear coat and tie?
Joey!
I think he means that you need to look to other sources for your information.
Like bankers or attorneys.
Very good, little ones. We can also look at various types of records.
Like Aerosmith?
Well, I prefer Barry Manilow myself, but not that kind of record.
Like checkbooks or brokerage statements.
How about leases or property tax returns?
You two are very bright. Perhaps you could become CPAs someday.
Ooh, Mr. Dull, Mr. Dull!
Yes, young man?
I gotta go bathroom.
You'll just need to hold it a minute or two.
Now, class, I'm sure you all enjoyed that thrilling field trip. I want you all to write thank you letters to Mr. Dull.
Miss Grunt, I's finished mine already.
Why don't you read it to the class?
Dear's Mr. Dull, we saw your office, we ate a muffin. Your tour was boring, thanks for nothing.